For the past 16 years, one of the most magnificent spaces of State Library Victoria has been closed to the public. Some people had no idea it existed until now. With a generous $10 million donation from the Ian Potter Foundation, the former Queen's Reading Room has been transformed into the Ian Potter Queen's Hall.
When the opportunity came to make a donation and open up this beautiful hall, we were very excited. And that was 4 years ago. And then the wonderful artisan reconstruction of this hall, I think the craftsmanship that's gone into it is exceptional.
The Ian Potter Queen's Hall is the jewel in the crown of this reimagination of the library. It will be available to the public during the day as a beautiful reading room for Australian and Victorian fiction. And at night it will be transformed into a gorgeous event space. We're custodians of this great institution for such a brief time in the history of the library. And yet, like those who came before us, we know that the decisions we make now will shape the library for future generations.